Price of natural gas now trading at a level of $3.990. And if you look at this particular trend, there is a gap. That means there is a sharp rise from where we have seen 3.6 has moved upside and made a half around $4. And I've clearly mentioned you that as soon as the price started hitting above a level of $3.5, 3.35, we'll be seeing above a level of around 3.8, and chances was high that we can see a level of $4. You can check my video which I've clearly mentioned you that at a level of 3.8 we have seen a gap is there, so we can see it can touch a level of $4 after this particular gap is filled. Now what we can see, remember the price is already above a strong level of $3.6. So remember that if the price comes below a level of 3.8 again or touches a level of 3.6, we can see a bounce back, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and then we will see that it can bounce back again towards this level. Suppose if the price rises above this level, we can see it can touch a level of $4, and if the price moving of this level, probability of touching 4.2, and if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards 4.29 to a level of $4.36. And once started going above this level, probability of touching $4.5 will be there. Remember, as soon as the price touches a level of $4, probability of touching 4.2, and from there a level of 4.36, and once started going above this level, probability of touching 4.5, and from there we can see, so if the price sustain above $4, chance of touching 4.2, then we can see a level of 4.5. From there, if it sustain, if it can bounce back, but if it sustain above that level, we can see it can touch a level of 4.7 to a level of $4.9, and this is the pattern is forming. So chances are very high it will cross that level and it can move towards a level of $5. So remember, probability of touching $5 will be there as soon as it started going above 4.2 to a level of 4.75. But if it started going down, there is a chances that it can come down towards 3.8, and this gap can be there. So we can see this gap can be filled at a level of $3.5 as soon as the price started going below 3.6, and chances are high as soon as it started hitting below this level, see a level of around 3.6, we can see a bounce back. But if that didn't bounce back, we can see the price can fall further down towards 3.5 to a level of 3.35, and then we can see it can come down again towards 3.16, and then this gap can be that means if it below that level, we can see it can move below a level of $3.